Greetings, gadget lovers. If you've ever taken a screenshot and thought, this looks way too plain, you're not alone. Most of us waste hours in design tools trying to make our screenshots look professional, only to end up frustrated. Picbolt changes all of that. It's the fast and easy tool that turns any ordinary screenshot into a stunning, branded visual directly in your browser. No design skills required. From adding text, arrows, and icons to creating mockups and social proof graphics, Picbolt gives your content a polished look in seconds. If you're a blogger, marketer, or small business owner, this tool will instantly upgrade your visuals and save you hours of editing. What is Picbolt? Picbolt is a simple yet powerful online tool that transforms your plain screenshots into professional, eye-catching visuals in seconds. It lets you add text, arrows, icons, and multiple images to create polished designs without any design skills. You can customize colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your branding and even create device mockups, code snippets, and social proof graphics for marketing or presentations. Perfect for bloggers, content creators, developers, and small business owners, Picbolt helps you create scroll-stopping visuals quickly, saving hours of editing while keeping your content sharp and professional. Snag the best deal on Picbolt today. Regular official pricing is $199, but at AppSumo, you're grabbing this lifetime deal for only $49, one single payment. That's right, no subscriptions, no recurring charges. Just a one-time payment and Picbolt is yours forever. Let's check out what you actually get with this deal. Lifetime plan includes unlimited mockup downloads, access to all templates, basic plus premium, 4K quality exports, no blurry images, no watermark on your visuals, full AI tools access, custom branding to match your business. And the best part? You get 60 days to try it out with AppSumo's money-back guarantee. Use it, love it, or refund it, no risk. 6 most important features that make Picbolt special. Screenshot to visual magic. Take a plain screenshot and transform it into a social media-ready post in seconds. Device mockups. Show off your apps, websites, or products in professional device frames. Code snippets and tutorials. If you're a developer or tech educator, Picbolt can turn your code into clean, readable visuals with styled backgrounds. Social proof templates. Picbolt has built-in templates to make your posts stand out. Full branding customization. Change colors, fonts, and backgrounds to perfectly match your brand identity. Lightning-fast browser editor. Just open Picbolt, edit in real time, and download your visual in 4K quality. People who can benefit from Picbolt. Bloggers, content creators, small business owners, freelancers, developers, marketers, educators, and coaches. If you fit into any of these categories, or even if you just want your screenshots to stop looking like meh, then Picbolt is for you. Double the savings, extra 10% off today. Got your eyes on the Picbolt lifetime deal? Here's how you can save even more. Yes, you heard me right. On top of that $49 lifetime deal, you can grab an extra 10% discount with a simple trick. Here's how. Visit the Picbolt lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Wait for the discount pop-up to appear. Enter your active email address. Use the same email at checkout. Check your inbox for the 10% off code. Reviews that Picbolt lifetime deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? Listen, your screenshots aren't going to glow up on their own. If you're serious about making your content stand out, Picbolt lifetime deal is your secret weapon. Check out the link in the description, grab your Picbolt lifetime deal, and start transforming your screenshots into scroll-stopping visuals today. Enjoyed this review? Smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more awesome tech finds.